So I chose Coffee Spot dahil masarap yung coffee options, and then the price is yung sakto lang din compared to other coffee shops. I also love the option na we can also add our own food and wala rin silang royalty fees, and ayun, so we really enjoy, and then everyone naging positive din naman yung naging review with the drink, so we're really happy that we chose Coffee Spot.
Why Coffee Spot? First, very flexible si Coffee Spot when it turns to agreement, no? That's number one that I like with Coffee Spot. Second is yung support ng mga staff kay Coffee Spot. Very, unwavering support from signing of a franchise, from training, and then until grand opening. So talagang wala akong masabi sa support ni Coffee Spot. And then lastly, masarap yung coffee ni Coffee Spot. I am a coffee lover myself, and then ang dami ko na natikmang coffee. So far, nag-stand out talaga sa akin si Coffee Spot. And the good thing is, I receive a good feedback with a lot of customers. You'll never go wrong if you're going to invest with Coffee Spot as your partner. And I am planning to get more franchise with Coffee Spot.
Why Coffee Spot? Kasi si Coffee Spot, ganito yon. Marami na kami nakausap na mga iba't-ibang coffee companies. Si Coffee Spot lang po yung maasikaso, responsive, laging nandyan pag may mga questions ka. Maraming coffee shop dyan na cart lang pero hindi nagtatagal kasi wala silang ibang products. Walang ibang may serve sa ibang tao. So yun yung dream ko. So kaya naisip namin si Coffee Spot, welcome sa lahat ng ganung bagay.
We actually venture po a lot of companies. So nagtanong kami, nag-inquire kami with a lot of companies online and face-to-face. Pero kasi one thing na napili namin yung Coffee Spot is because of the people behind it. A lot of companies naman can offer po yung mga good quality products, pero yung support po kasi ng company yung maglalast talaga. So yun po yung naging reason namin. That's why we chose Coffee Spot.
Yeah.
Po, and aside po dun sa support po ni Coffee Spot and the people behind it, wala pong royalty fee,
No
walang
quota fee.
So madami po talaga siyang benefit. So hindi lang si company yung nagbe-benefit, but also yung mga franchise.
I think why Ocular in different places. Marami po kasing coffee shop dito sa Angeles City. I decided Coffee Spot kasi I think one reason is yung mga prices niya. Yeah, the taste is good, pero yung mga prices niya is very competitive to the other coffee shop. It's also good na walang royalty fee yung Coffee Spot. So, kasi isa sa mga magbigat na bayarin yung mga royalty fee eh. So for me, it's very good.
Mahilig din talaga kami sa kape. Kumbaga sa kahit saang lugar kami nakakarating within kahit sa Pilipinas, lahat ng lugar na pinupuntahan namin, talagang ang hinahanap namin yung coffee shop. Kasi talagang sobrang hilig namin. And then sabi namin, bakit hindi na lang tayo magtayo ng sarili natin coffee shop? Kumbaga, ma-offer din natin doon sa lugar namin, lalo na dito sa Legazpi. Which is, kaya rin kami talagang napauaw sa Coffee Spot kasi nung nag-offer sila ng product, parang okay, so parang hindi na kami nag-isip. So, okay yun. Kaya, yun, paborito niyo yun.